Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to hop inside Walgreens. I have Nana along with me, so she will be making an appearance in the video relatively soon. So if you have any questions, couponing questions for Nana, make sure you are dropping them in the comment section below. So now let's go ahead and hop into Walgreens. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on General Mills cereals again. So they are priced for $1.99, and we have two different coupons you can use. There is a $1 off to Walgreens app coupon you could send to your Walgreens app. So when you buy two, it'll make it $1.49 each, which is a killer price, you guys. And then we have a $1 off 3 printable coupon if you want to go the printable coupon route. So really great deal on some General Mills cereals here at Walgreens. All right, you guys, in addition, we have $1 back on 2 on Saving Star. So you're going to be able to get 2 boxes for 99 cents. So this is a great deal on General Mills here over at Walgreens. All right, you guys, so the Chevalier and McCafe coffees, these guys are on sale for just $4.99. And this is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards, meaning when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get bonus brand points. So great deal on the Chevalier and McCafe coffees. So we have a fantastic deal on the Equal. So Equal is buy one, get one free. And we also have a $1.50 off 1 coupon from the 9/8 Retail Me Not. So they are priced for $1.99. So that $1.50 off coupon is going to make them 49 cents for 2 of them, which is a killer deal, you guys. So the Blue Diamond Almonds, these guys are on sale for $5.99, and we still have that $1 off 1 coupon from the 10/6 Smart Source. So that's going to drop these down to just $4.99, you guys. So killer deal on the Blue Diamond Almonds. All right, you guys, so we have a really nice deal on Jello. So Jello is buy one, get one free. So it's on the pudding boxes as well as the Jello boxes. So these are buy one, get one free. So they are priced for $1.29. You buy one and then you're gonna get the second one for free. So great deal, you guys. All right, so we have another really good deal on Morton Salt as well as Arm & Hammer baking soda. So these guys are on sale for just 89 cents each. So this is a killer deal, you guys. The Morton Salt is $1.19, and the baking soda is regularly $1.09. So this at an 89-cent sale is a killer deal, you guys. Also the Nice brand brown sugar, these guys are on sale for just 99 cents, and the regular price is $1.49. So if you guys have those register rewards, there are some great stock up prices for baking items. And then also the Betty Crocker bagged cookie mixes as well as the boxed cakes. These guys are 2 for $2 or $1 each. So killer deal, you guys. All right, so my store is out, but the 8-ounce Daisy sour creams, these guys are priced for 2 for $2 or $1 each. So killer deal on some sour cream. I'm not sure if you can do rain checks on missing items. That's something I'm going to be asking about, but great deal if you can get a rain check or if you can find it. $1 per tub of sour cream is great, you guys. All right, so we do have a repeat deal on the Swanson chicken broth. So they are priced for 2 for $1 or 50 cents each, which is a great deal, especially with Thanksgiving coming up. All right, you guys, so the Coffee Mate coffee creamers, the liquid creamers, these guys are priced for buy one, get one free. And we have a $1 off 2 Wags coupon as well as a 50 cent off 1 printable coupon. So you would buy one for $2.99, use that 50 cent off 1 coupon, so you get 2 of them for $2.49. So it beats the 2 for $5 price. Now, if you wanted to use that $1 off 1 coupon, you would actually have to buy 4 of them to get that $1 off 2 coupon taken off. All right, you guys, so we have another deal on the Lysol Wipes. So the least expensive one I'm seeing is at $3.79. So you can buy one at $3.79, get the second one for free. And then we have 50 cent off 1 coupons coming in Sunday's inserts. And the current Lysol coupon, that's 50 cent off 1. The ones that we've had in our past inserts, they actually expire on Sunday. So if you want to, go through your coupons, and if you have any left, that 50 cent off 1 coupon does expire on Sunday. But we are getting new Lysol coupons coming. So if the deal is running on the toilet bowl cleaner and the spray, if they are also buy one get one free, we have new coupons coming in this week's inserts. Alright you guys, so if you haven't watched my what you should be couponing for in the month of November, I mentioned food storage. So the sandwich bags, the nice sandwich bags, they are buy one get two free. So this is a great deal. So you would buy one of them for $2.79 and they get two for free. And this would be great for like freezing meals with the gallon storage bags. So you buy one at $2.99 and get two free. Okay, so we have another Angel Soft deal. So the Angel Soft toilet paper, these guys are on sale for $2.99 and we have a printable $1 off one coupon. So that'll make it just $1.99. And then check your Walgreens booklet to see if there are any other coupons you can use. All right, you guys, so we have a really good deal on some Crest toothpaste here at Walgreens. So you want to look for tags that say $2.99. It is Thursday when I'm filming, so these tags say $3.99, so ignore that. But they're priced for $2.99 each, and there's going to be a coupon for 5 off 3, and you're going to get a $4 register reward when you buy 3 of them. So you would buy 3 of them at $8.97, use that 5 off 3 coupon, and you're going to pay $3.97, get that $4 register reward, making them a 3-cent moneymaker. So a really great deal, you guys. All right, you guys, so this has got to be my favorite deal of the week. So the Soap and Glory beauty bag, these guys are regularly priced $30, but they're on sale for $15, and we're getting 2 off 1 coupons coming in our Retail Me Not inserts. You can get, it is a $45 value, and you can get it for $12. So I think this is a killer deal, you guys. All right, you guys, so the last deal is going to be on the Ricolas. So these guys are 2 for $5, and we have $1 off coupons in our inserts. And there's also a $1 coupon inside of the Walgreens booklet. So it's going to drop it down to 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Great price because the starting cost is $3.79. So we went from $3.79 to $1.50. All right, Mom, say bye to everyone.
Bye.
This is how we Walgreens coupon with a baby.
Yes.
Nana. Everyone say hi to Nana, and she'll be back next week to talk about holiday budgeting.
Yes.
So drop your questions below for Nana. Your questions about holiday budgeting. My mom has 3 kids and she has 6 grandkids.
Yes. And I'm 69 and I've couponed since I was a kid.
And there is 3 dogs in the family. So there's a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching today's Walgreens in-store video. There's some killer grocery deals, you guys. If you have those register rewards floating around, stock up on some grocery items because there are some killer ones over at Walgreens this week. So remember to leave questions for Nana about holiday budgeting because she's going to sit down with me next week and we are going to do a video together. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.